So now let's see how we can utilize the guided zoom brush effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So here I have a picture, and to use the guided zoom brush effect, I'm going to go around onto the guided section right here. So once I go around under the guided section right here, you can go around over here under fun edits, and here you can see zoom brush effect is an option. You can go around and click on this, and then what happens is that I can go around and then see the before and after right here, of course. But you can also go around and crop out the image according to how you like right here, as you can see. Let me just go around and press check right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add in a zoom burst right here. So once I do that, you can see the zoom effect being applied right here. And you can also go around and click on apply focus area. And let's say you want to focus on this very house right here, just like this. And you can see that that house becomes clear right here as I click and drag around that area right there. So that is what you have, as you can see, and that is simply how you can add in a zoom brush effect, as you can see. You can go around and apply vignette to this as well to add in some cool effect right there, and then continue working with this. So that is how you can use the guided zoom brush effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.